Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Binance withdrawal is temporarily suspended due to risk management. So first of all, you need to know why it was suspended. So what can you do when you have this suspension? So there is wallet maintenance, like when the wallet is under maintenance, may be suspended. Also, if you have changed your password recently, it may be suspended. That's why. And also there's some problem with your assets you wish to withdraw. Maybe the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw is not available to be withdrawn, and some other options. So first things first, it may be because of your account security, like 2FA. If you don't have 2FA, you want to go ahead to your account and go ahead to security here. And now you need to make sure that Authenticator app is on, because otherwise your withdrawal will not be available. So make sure you do that. Also, if your withdrawal is suspended temporarily, maybe it's because a lot of people are trying to withdraw and they suspended it just randomly. So you need to wait a little bit, maybe log out and log into your Binance again. If you have changed, for example, your password recently, you will not be able to withdraw because you just changed it. So you need to wait 24 hours for it. Now, if you still don't know why it was and it's still unavailable for you after 24 hours, you want to scroll down and click on 24/7 chat support, and you want to contact them. And after you will contact them through here, maybe they will tell you why it was suspended. So, and you can solve your problem. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.